Hello student, most welcome to all of you in today's video lectures. And in this video lecture we study about the how the plant obtain water for the photosynthesis. Water is required for the process of photosynthesis, and this requirement plant fulfill by the help of a special organ which is known as root. Root is the organ of plant which help in the absorption of water from the soil with the help of a process which is known as osmosis. So, water absorbed by the root with the help of a process osmosis, and then this absorbed water from root transported upward inside the plant through a special type of cells which present inside the stems of plant, root and even leaves, and this special type of cell is known as xylem vessels. Now the water from the root stems reach inside the leaves, and leaf is the site of photosynthetics, where photosynthetics takes place. So the water now used inside the process of photosynthesis. So, water and carbon dioxide both are the raw material for the process of photosynthesis, and as a result of photosynthesis, plant prepare food material which provide energy for the survival of plant and also animals. And this food material is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates means some carbohydrates are simple like glucose, and some carbohydrate is complex like starch. Except these two raw materials, plant also need some other raw material for the proper growth and proper photosynthesis. These raw material are nitrogens, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, and it is necessary for the building their body. But carbon dioxide and water is necessary raw material for the photosynthesis. Plant takes nitrogens, phosphorus, iron, magnesium from the soils. and nitrogen, a very essential element which is necessary for plant to make proteins. Except proteins, other compounds also need nitrogen. So nitrogen, which is taken by plant from the soils, as a inorganic compounds like nitrates and nitrites. And these inorganic compounds is taken by plant and they convert these inorganic compounds into organic compounds by the process of photosynthesis. Like protein is the organic compounds and fat is also organic compound, carbohydrate is also a organic compounds. So now we study about the site of photosynthesis, means where is photosynthesis takes place. The chloroplast is the organelles which present inside the green plant leaves, and it contains a pigment which is known as chlorophyll, where photosynthesis takes place, and this is the site of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis occurs inside the chloroplast, and chloroplast is present in the leaves and in the mesophyll leaves as cell of the leaves. So the site of the photosynthesis is leaf and chloroplast which present inside the leaves. Now we study structurally where the photosynthesis takes place. So when you cut the tiers of the plant leaves, so first outside cuticles is present, below the cuticles upper epidermis present, and this is the structure of upper epidermis. After that, cell of mesophills present, and cell of mesophills contains two special cells, and these two special cells is first polysacs and second spongy. Both polysac and spongy cells contains chloroplast. So this dotted structure which present inside the cell, this dotted structure is known as chloroplast. This dotted structure is known as chloroplast. Chloroplast present inside the both cells, means polysac cells and also spongy cells. Inside this the chloroplast, chlorophyll present, and which is necessary for the process of photosynthesis. So student, in this video we study about the side of photosynthesis. In next video you detail study about the structure of the chloroplast and where the photosynthesis takes place. So student, if you like this video, like the like buttons and press the like buttons and subscribe the channel, share the video in most study groups. Thank you for watching the BDO student. Thank you very much.